Guys, it's Danilo from Bambi Baby, and we're about to try a Pipa Lite in a car that I've never had the fun of doing. We're gonna go out and try it in a Audi convertible. Pretty cool. Here we are, Pipa Lite base going into an Audi. First thing you want to do is definitely pull out the rebound bar, which is underneath. Let it sit there, nice and easy. Now we're just gonna step into the car, line up our Isofix latches. I removed the covers on the back seat of this Audi A5, and the latches are exposed. Really difficult to connect, guys. Watch this. 1, 2, it's connected. Car seat's in place. It is at the right angle. Rebound bars down to the floor. This does not move anymore. Bring the car seat in. Slide it in. Lock it in place, ready to go. All done, it works. Stroller in. Real easy. I'm done. Oh, this one's not gonna work.
No.
Gotta try this again. Nope. Without an adapter? Yes.